Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you guys a little burger on command here, you know. So
I like cheese.
okay, I'm gonna go now.